Hi, this is Gopika. I'm a landscape designer. Today I'm going to show you some of the low maintenance plants. Come along with me. Last time I showed some of the shared tips on low maintenance garden, like how to design a low maintenance garden. So this is more about the plants. So what are the plants that you can incorporate in your garden to get a low maintenance garden? So I'm just going to show you a few plants that are planted around my garden which are low maintenance. I really don't take much care of them. They thrive on its own with rainwater, and pretty much, you know, they flower every season and they look beautiful. This is Hibi. It's a New Zealand native plant. It grows a meter tall and a meter wide. It prefers a full sun, and it grows very well on a well-drained organic compost soil. So this plant, when you mass plant them along the driveway curb or side yard or on the garden bed, it looks beautiful, and it's kind of a like low-level edging plant. So this, along with this, if you plant a ground cover, come along with me here. Alocasia. Alocasia is another ground cover plant. It's a beautiful plant. It's a beneficial plant when you have it in your garden. It grows from seeds, and it thrives and, you know, spreads across. And it also doesn't allow weeds to grow in, creep inside. So Hibi and Alocasia put together, when you mass plant them, it'll look beautiful and stunning. The second plant I want to show you is, come along with, gardenia. Gardenia, again, it grows a meter tall and a meter wide. It thrives on a part shade to full sun. It doesn't prefer afternoon sun, but it grows well in part shade, and sometimes in the morning sun. It grows very well. It needs a well-drained organic soil. This plant, when you mass plant them, it looks beautiful. It also got a beautiful perfume flowers. Along with this, if you plant Nosterium as a ground cover, it looks stunning. Now, this is another plant, versatile plant, where you can get it from seeds, and it just reseeds and spreads across. So this prefers a full sun. So it is better to plant them on a full sun location, and if you mass plant them together, it looks stunning and beautiful in your garden. The third plant I want to show you is, now this is a climber. So you have probably seen this climber in most of the place. It's the star jasmine. If you have any walls or a fence that you want to hide, this is a beautiful plant to have. It's a low maintenance plant. As long as it thrives in a part shade, as long as you have a well-drained organic compost soil, once it's established, it thrives, and it's quicker. It's very quick, and it spreads across. The only thing you need is probably after flowering just the pruning, but other than that, this is another very good plant to have in your garden, which is low maintenance. So these are some of the plants that you can incorporate in your garden to get a low maintenance garden. So if you're keen on knowing more of low maintenance plants, then check our website www.sfalandscapedesign.com.au, where if you put your name on, we'll send you a list of low maintenance plants. So try and incorporate these plants and see how you go. If you need any help, I'm happy to help you. And that's all from now. Thank you.